Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
And you're watching? Wait, I'm happy.
She's happy. I'm Chess Cakes.
And you're watching Happy.
And Chess.
So for today's video, for another episode of Happy Cheesecake 11, we'll be having Waray lessons. We'll be translating. I'll be translating body parts in Waray. So you're learning, guys. At the same time, she's learning Waray terms. Okay? Okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Which body parts do you want to learn first? How about this one?
Human.
What do you call this one?
This
No, this.
head.
No, this.
Face.
Yes, face. In Waray, face is nawong. You say it?
No.
Nawong.
No.
Don't British me. Nawong.
No.
Okay, next. Okay, you name the body parts. What about this one?
Eyes.
Eyes. In Waray, it is.
Mata.
Yes. Oh, my accent, mata. Yes, mata. How about this one?
Nose.
Nose. You know what nose is in Waray? Erong.
Wrong.
Again?
Wrong.
Erong? Oh, ang art. How about this one?
This. Mouth.
Mouth. What is the Waray term for mouth? Do you know? Yes.
Baba.
Oh, yes, baba. How about your, show us your bunny. Smile. What do you call that?
Teeth. Teeth.
Do you know what teeth is in Waray?
No.
Tango.
No. Okay. Okay.
Masirong na naton. Tango.
Tango.
Opo.
Opo.
Then how about this one?
Hair.
And in Waray it is? Sabay tayo. Sabay tayo.
Buhok.
How about this one?
Eyebrow.
Yeah, eyebrow.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. And in Waray it is kiray.
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 Yes, it's kiray.
Kiray.
How about the
Lips.
lips?
Lips.
It is sabay, you know?
No.
Im. Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yeah.
Im. Yeah, it's im. How about your,
Neck.
what is the Waray term for neck?
I don't know.
Liog.
Liog.
Again.
Liog.
Very good.
Liog.
How about this one?
Shoulders.
Yeah, your shoulders. You call in Waray sugbong.
Sugbong.
Again?
Sugbong.
Sugbong. How about this one? Wow.
Elbow.
Huh?
Elbow.
Yes,
Elbow.
Sa aton in Waray, it is siko.
Siho.
Ano?
Siho.
Pumatik mo siho. Siko. She's not sure of the terms, guys. How about this
Siko.
one?
Hands.
What is hands in Waray? You know?
Kamot.
Very good. With accent, kamot. Oo, kamot. Kamot. I have still kamot.
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 Don't British me. Don't British me. How about your? What do you? What do you call this?
Fingers.
Finger? Name? Finger?
Finger.
So, in Waray, finger, tudlo.
Tudlo.
Again.
Tudlo.
Very good. How about this one? This part. What is this? What do you call this part?
Skin.
No. Chest.
Chest.
Oh, what is chest in Waray? Do you know?
No.
It's dughan.
Dughan.
Yeah. Again?
Dughan.
Yes, very good. How about
The
tiil?
Tiil.
Yeah, tiil. How about your cheeks?
Cheeks.
You call this
Chin.
bayhon.
Bayhon.
Again?
Bayhon.
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 Again, and your part here. Your
Hips.
waist.
Erase.
Show them your waist. Wow. Wow, sana all. Pero niya yung mukha. Wow, sana all. Waist is hawak.
Hawak.
Again.
Hawak.
Very good. How about this one? This one. And this one?
Skin.
Yes. It's called
Skin.
in Waray.
I don't know.
Panit.
Panit.
Yeah. You, panit.
Panit.
Pangit.
Yeah. You.
Kung kailangan kong gawin.
Panit.
Panit.
What is panit in English?
Waist.
Oh! Panit in English is this one. This one. Skin. Adoy. Magpakulit ako niya. Let's quiz daw niya. Mag-quiz daw.
Scary.
How about this one?
Hair.
No, this one.
Ears.
Oh, do you know the right term?
Oh, show your ears. Uy, ako may itong makita. Ito.
And this one, the other. Oh, what do you call that? Maray?
I don't know.
Talinga. Again.
Talinga.
Oh, how about your
Tongue.
oh, do you know what tongue is?
Baba.
Mouth is baba. Tongue is
I don't know.
dila.
Dila.
Shala. Otro daw?
Dila.
Dila. Dila. Tongue.
Dila.
Yeah, dila.
Dila that.
How about your palm
To use it for clapping
and clapping lang?
and touching.
Oh, what is
And
the right term?
grabbing.
Yeah, what is the right term for this?
I'm not sure. I don't
Sige,
know.
guess.
I don't know.
Palad.
Palad.
Again.
Palad.
Again.
Palad.
Very good. How about your this one?
Knees.
Show your knees. Oh, wow, sexy sa knees. Oh, you know what knees? What you call in Waray?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
No picking. Tuhod.
Tuhod.
Yeah. Again.
Tuhod.
Very good. Again.
Tuhod.
Ganda yan ito. May quiz kit yan
Tuhod.
na.
Tuhod.
Chehel.
After this. You don't say the English agad. What right term agad. I'll point the part of your body. Then don't touch it like this. Okay. If you want, I'll use pencil.
How about this one?
Mata.
Very good. This one.
I forgot it.
5, 4. You forgot? It's sirit. Key. It's
Key,
like a
right? Key.
Yes. Oh, sige, magbibigay na lang ako ng clue. How about this one?
Buhok.
Very good. This one?
Ilong. Uy! Out yan. Waray. It's kasi I. E. Five. Four. Three, two, one. Air. Ear.
Earl. Sirit. 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 Ah, irong. Irong. Ah, tigaman. Ade.
Baba.
How about this? It's the cute term, di ba? Saring ka-cute.
MM.
Baga malang chocolate. M. Again?
MM.
Wow. How about this one? Start with
Tick.
5. Yes. Star. Tango.
Tango.
Ano? Hala! I forgot to teach. What do you call this part? This part. Pero sige na. How about this one? What do you call
Chest.
hindi, gumuroy. Ah, you forgot. Dughan. How about this one?
I'm so sorry.
This one.
Palm.
No.
I don't know.
Ano?
Come-
Yes. How
Come
about
out.
this one?
Come out.
This one.
Let's. Freaking. Freaking.
T. It starts with T.
Tick, 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 tock.
Tudlo.
Why did I keep forgetting it?
Yung sa ibo. How about this one? Show yours. Show yours. Oh, what do you call that? Ibaray. It starts with letter T.
Again?
Yep.
Teapot. I don't know.
Tuhod. How about your feet? What do you call that?
Ew.
Oh, you know that.
Teal.
Heel.
Teal.
How about this one? This one. Hold yours. Hold yours. This one. What do you call that? Ha, no. You forgot my gulay.
Gulay? Gulay ko, no? Ano?
It starts with letter L.
L. You mean L? L. L. L.
See it? This is Leo.
Leo.
Bad student. How about this one? Cheesecake. What do you call that? You keep on forgetting. What? Si
Ginagawa mo.
Si
I don't know.
ko.
Siko.
Agoy.
Agoy. Abada.
How about this one?
Tail.
Uy, tail. What do you call this? Shoulders, right? In what eye?
Shoulders. So. Sook.
Tug.
Sog.
Tug.
Sog. Sog.
Sugbong. Sugbong.
Sogong.
Sugbong. Don't forget the sugbong. Aran. Ngalimot ka. How about this one? This one. Ha? Halu? Halu? Sounds like salad. Very good. Aray na. Bye guys. May assignment sa cheesecake. Pag-aaralan niyo yung mga body parts. So, bye. Thank you for watching.